My little nieces love their porridge for breakfast and they also love the colour pink. So I've come up with a strawberry porridge full of flavour and of course is very appealing because it's pink. Now first up we need to get our strawberries into a pot. So I'll need a few more strawberries here. We want about 250 grams of fresh strawberries. Look how ripe these are. They smell so good. I'm also going to reserve some of these for the garnish. So we have cooked strawberries and fresh strawberries into a pot, and we'll turn that on a medium to high heat with just a small pinch of sugar just to enhance the sweetness of our strawberries. And then this is going to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until they start to collapse. In the meantime, we'll get the porridge on. This is a combination of water and milk. I like that slight creaminess to it. We'll add some instant oats and then we're going to cook these until they're really lovely and creamy. Now these lovely strawberries have cooked down. You can see they've released their juices. So now I'm going to place it into a cup just like this and I'm going to blend it to make a puree. Wonderful, and look at that gorgeous colour. So now we're going to pour this into our cooked porridge. We'll turn it off and look how it's going to stain. Yum-o. Now a few extra flavourings if you like, a hint of cinnamon and for some extra sweetness, maple syrup, but this is totally optional, just a splash. And give it a stir. And look how that gorgeous pink strawberry stains those oats. Okay, this is ready, so we're going to serve it. I love this consistency. I like it to be really soupy, so we'll serve it in a beautiful bowl. Generous amount. Some fresh strawberries over the top. And I like the crunch of coconut and some almonds. There we go. Pink strawberries. The kids are going to love that, and the big kids are going to love it too.